राइट। ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए होने वाली है, उन ब्लॉगर्स के लिए जिन्होंने ब्लॉगिंग जस्ट स्टार्ट की है, जिन्होंने जस्ट अभी अभी अपना ब्लॉग बनाया है, लेकिन उनके ब्लॉग पे ट्रैफिक नहीं है, उनके ब्लॉग पे कंटेंट बहुत ही कम है। और उनको कंटेंट चाहिए बट उनको कंटेंट नहीं मिल पा रहा है, क्योंकि कोई भी अपना कंटेंट सबमिट नहीं करता है उन वेबसाइट्स में जिनका डोमेन अथॉरिटी एंड पेज अथॉरिटी कम हो। सो नॉर्मली माइंडसेट ये रहता है कि अपने से हायर डीए और पीए वाली वेबसाइट्स में अपना लिंक डालें, तो it is very difficult sometime to get content for the blog. So in this video we will see what we can do in those kind of situations, how to move our blog ahead, how to get ourselves out from that zone where no one would like to submit content. तो आज ये सब के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। ये एंट्री लेवल ब्लॉगर्स के लिए भी है, मीडियम जो कुछ टाइम से ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी हेल्पफुल होगा। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट you need to keep in mind is design of your blog. If you have a very good design of your blog, take my word, you can get the content easily. Domain authority, page authority, other metrics like Alexa and analytics, they are at their own place. What websites functionality or blogs functionality, how the user experience is, it also attract others to submit content into the blog. That's the main thing. Suppose your blog design is lazy, where everyone hates your blog, no one would like to even read your posts, your posts are very lame, your loading time is very much high, and your blog contain everything where but no one wants to see, even the people don't want to see their link. So the very first thing is make your blog user friendly. So your motto is to make your blog user friendly and search engine friendly at the same time. तो आपको जो आपका ब्लॉग है उसको सर्च इंजन फ्रेंडली भी बनाना है और उसको यूज़र फ्रेंडली भी बनाना है। यूज़र फ्रेंडली मीन्स अगर आपका ब्लॉग है, मैं उस पर विजिटर हूँ, तो मैंने एक पोस्ट पढ़ी, मेरे माइंड में ये होना चाहिए कि हाँ यार इसकी दूसरी पोस्ट पढ़नी है, मे बी ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होगी एज कम्पेयर टू द ओल्डर वन। सो माई फर्स्ट suggestion is create a stunning blog design. Manage most of the things at front end for the users who will submit as a author, or the other thing which I think better in some cases is that send your provide your email to the users and tell them that they can submit the link, they can submit the content to your website, and make a phase like content submission guidelines where you will, वहाँ पर आप कवर करेंगे गाइडलाइंस कि किस टाइप का कंटेंट आप पब्लिश कर सकते हैं अपनी वेबसाइट्स पे। फर्स्ट थिंग इज गाइडलाइंस, सेकंड थिंग इज make your blog in such a way that users can submit content by themselves. And if you are promising to give them link within 24 hours, then you must respect that promise, because first you need to build the credibility. The consumers must think that they they can submit their content to your website. There is a website called options.com. When the page rank was zero of that website, I used to still submit the link to that website because I liked that website. Their design is so much user friendly that you will love, and you want to explore for more. You can see the design of steamyiron.com. That is very awesome design also. Maybe there is some differences in the opinion of you and me, but the thing is that what consumers like, because ultimately SEO focus on that. So if you are going to post the content no one would like to read, grammar is missing, that is not good for the reputation of your blog. So my second suggestion is submit some unique content, but that unique content needs to be informative content. So my common thesis say that submit the content that you likes. इन दिस वे आप जो अपना मोटिवेशन है वो कभी लूज नहीं करोगे. So guys, my first suggestion is take care of the design of your blog. My second suggestion is the content. Put the informative content, not only just unique content. And now the thing is, the third thing, how you can run your blog is that go to facebook.com and search for the groups like bloggers promotion, guest posting promotion. Go to those groups and post your content that you are. What you need to write is, I am accepting free guest post. I am accepting the word count from this. Approval within 24 hours, and do follow links will be provided. In this way you will go for that. My words, I have analyzed the result for this kind of websites and it is very fruitful. Even if your DA is very low, very low, then there are chances that you will get the content to submit. So first thing is make your blog look stunning. Second thing is only put the informative content that is unique, that's plus point, but at least that needs to be informative so people would like to explore for more, and that is what you ultimately wants. And now the thing is that how you can earn from any blog and why you need to create the blog. So let's jump to those questions right now. So guys, now the question is कि आप अपने ब्लॉग से मनी कैसे अर्न कर सकते हो. तो आपने कंसेप्ट सुना होगा, डोमेन अथॉरिटी, पेज अथॉरिटी. जब आप ब्लॉग रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हो, आपकी वेबसाइट न्यू है, तो आपकी जो डोमेन अथॉरिटी और पेज अथॉरिटी है वो 0 रहती है. अगर आपने नया डोमेन खरीदा है तो जो डोमेन अथॉरिटी होती है वो 0 to 100 होता है, उसकी रैंकिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंटेंट, डोमेन एज एंड मैनी अदर फैक्टर्स. सो If you want to earn some money by selling the guest posts, then what you need to do is आपको उसकी डीए बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, डोमेन अथॉरिटी आपको बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। आपकी डोमेन अथॉरिटी अगर 30 क्रॉस कर जाती है देन आप गेस्ट पोस्टिंग सेल कर सकते हो। मीन्स इफ समवन वांट्स टू सबमिट ए पोस्ट टू योर ब्लॉग, यू कैन चार्ज सम अमाउंट फ्रॉम हिम, और वो आपकी वेबसाइट पे कंटेंट क्यों डालना चाहेगा, why he would like to post content to your website is you have higher domain authority, and when he will get a backlink from your website, it will definitely helpful for him or her to boost the online presence of website, their website, no matter who he is or she is. So now the question is how you can improve the domain authority. So the simple question is you can post informative content, submit consistently, don't post duplicate contents, post only unique content. But look, unique content is important for the Google, but with the unique content, your content also needs to be informative. No problem, you will get the backlink, that's not a doubt. Or if you are creating a blog, then even you can get backlinks from there. Are so many websites which are selling the free links. What the most important thing is, if your content is not impressive, not interesting, no one would like to see your content, then you can assume how you will success in online marketing. So the most important thing is write or hire someone to write very informative and unique content for your blog. And once you post the informative content to your blog consistently, your reputation will start building up. Now the next step is to optimize that content. Means bold, where you are going to put the bold tag, where you are, there are too many different things where are putting headings, bold tag, italic, etc. Means it needs to be look interesting and everyone would like to write or read it. And the next step, okay, so you have submitted content to your blog. What is the next step? Next step is to post your content to social media, like most popular website Skyrock. The second is Tumblr, Google Plus. So these are some very important sites. Post your content to these websites. Create an Excel sheet, very clean Excel sheet for your website, and use that Excel sheet. Put the entry where you have submitted the link to that profile. It is going to be very easy because I do not recommend to use more than 5 social networking websites to share content for this purpose. What I am telling right now, what we are discussing right now, or you might discuss after some time when the video is available to you. So that's the thing, marketize your content. So, and the third thing is put approach any ad platform and show their ads to your blog and earn money. Many popular platforms like Chitika, uh, Citica ads, AdSense, uh, Adzella. There are too many ad platforms are there. You can choose whichever platform is best for you. Okay. And the next important thing is choose the ad platform that pay you per click. So you should get the money when someone click on your ad. The next tip is use forum posting. Tell the people to review your blog. Tell the people to review your design. Tell the people to review your AdSense placement. And you will see too many people are coming to your website. What they will do, the bounce rate will be very low. Why? But what they will do, they will check the website thoroughly and they will try to find out what is missing in this website. Alright, so that's how you can earn money from your blog. And the third method that we used in the company is that you can put banner ads. 300, 400, $500 people are charging for single banner, and that is not very bigger banner. So if you are a new blogger, what you need to do, you need to find content that is informative. And the other thing is you can use the Google. You can search for the websites where they allow the users to submit their content, and you are going to submit the content. So that's all for today. I hope that this video will help you out. The second thing is, one more important thing, do not get mesmerized by what others are trying to show you. Develop your own intelligence and you will be able to decide what is best for you and what is not. So if you have any questions regarding the blogs, yeah, there is one question, that how to get the content. Look, the first thing is, go to the Facebook, post the content, post the requirement that you are accepting free guest post. Content length should be 400 to 600 correct words, and I am also providing do follow link, and you will see that many people will be interested. At the starting it might be low, but with the time it will go stronger and stronger and stronger. So there are peoples which are earning millions from the blogs. They are earning millions in per month. There are people in the India, they are earning in lakhs per month. So that's the important thing. If you want to earn the money, then this is the best thing, to start a blog today. It is going to help you out, and that's all. That's all for today. Any issue, any problems, please let me know. I will respond all the comments. So thank you.